Hello, I'm Maurice Palmer, and this Austin is my old Hartford. She was made in 1935. Again, the Austin works at Longbridge. It's only a couple of miles from here. I've had a special affinity with this mark, having worked at the Austin way back from 1962 when I came out of the Royal Air Force and went to work in their gas turbine research department. Had a couple of years there and then moved into apprentice training and was involved with the teaching of the apprentices engineering. So a special affinity with the mark, which I love and enjoy. This old model is a bit dirty at the moment because obviously she's been used the weekend. We go off on runs with the Austin 10 Drivers Club and we're down at Avencroft the weekend at the 40s do, one of the many events we attend during the year. One of the beauties of belonging to a club. Like the old Austin model because first of all I have the affinity with them, as I said, having worked there for about 40 years, and also they're totally reliable. They are built to last, evidence the fact she's still running after 90 years of service. Easy to work on, and they really are a joy and a pleasure. She'll be running long after the stuff that's coming off today's production line will have been relegated to the scrap heap, hopefully. So here we are then, this is the Hartford. I've had her for a couple of years now. As you can probably see from the shots around, I've had one or two Austins over the years. This one I traded for a slightly larger model which didn't fit the garage very well. So I decided to swap her for a slightly shorter model which makes it easier to work on and walk around. This car will be at the NEC Classic Car Show this year in November on the Austin 10 Drivers Club stand, along with several other cars from our club members, all of which are this sort of condition, and I'm sure you'll enjoy coming to see us and popping by for a chat. Hope to see you there. Cheers.